Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, aka Tattooed Mama. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you enjoy. I'm going to take my glasses off because I know you can see the glare and that kind of drives me crazy. So yeah, I'm going to have a hard time seeing probably because I do need my glasses. Can't wear contacts because I have astigmatism and it just hasn't worked out. Anyway, you clicked on this video because you want to see the unboxing of this adorable Petit Vour, I think I'm saying that right, box, and I'm so excited, guys. I reached out to this company and asked if I could review this box, and she gladly sent me over the July box to review for you guys, so I'm super excited to do that. This box it starts off at $15 a month, and you always get $50 to $60 worth of product. Every product in here is cruelty-free, which I'm so excited about because a handful of you guys on my Facebook, I asked what kind of boxes or products and stuff you wanted to see me review, and you did request that you wanted to see me test out some cruelty-free products. So I'm so excited to see what's in this box, use everything that's in here, and then I'll come back and give you guys an update on how I like everything, so stay tuned for that. So if you want to see what's in this box, then just keep watching. Okay, so I just opened it up and had this little card in here which gives some information, and look how beautifully that is packaged. So first we're going to go in with this card, and I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this box. It says, "We love spreading kindness. Current subscribers get a free gift with any full-size purchase with our featured brands or latest box collections. Review the products from this box on petitvour.com and we'll add $1 per product reviewed, up to $5 to rewards for you to shop with." That is so cool. I'm definitely doing that. Any subscription purchase at Petit Vour gets 20% back in rewards points. Share your photos and all of that. So this shows all of the products inside, but first it says, "The July 2019 beauty box. This summer regimen will give you the glow of your dreams naturally. Start with the vitamin C cleanser to brighten and soften the face, the fastest face mask to exfoliate." I'm not going to read all this yet because I kind of want all this to be a surprise. So first thing that I'm seeing is this right here, and I'll give you guys an up close on all these products. This is the After Hours Soothing Night Cream. I am so excited about this. I don't think I have like anything that's like a specifically night cream. Yes, this has lavender, coconut oil, and vitamin C in it. Every bottle helps to educate, empower, and liberate girls around the world. That is so awesome. A soothing pH balance cream for dull skin, natural oils and botanical, gently hydrate and soothe the skin. Nightly use helps stress skin quickly regain vibrancy. That is awesome. I'm excited to smell what this smells like. Ooh, okay. So it kind of just smells like a kind of what's in it. You know, it smells a little bit herbally, which is totally fine because I like that I know that this has like all natural products in it. So definitely excited about that one. Next up, I see this. This looks interesting. We got something like this in our, I think it was a lore box. So this is a French Girl Layets de Rose Vitamin C Polishing Wash, Bioactive Beauté. Shake well, moisten dip-sized amount with water or toner to form a thin paste. Apply gently in circular motion to damp skin. Rinse with water. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Okay. Whew! Just got that on my nose. I just sniffed in a powder. But I wanted to see how it smelled. And I'm really glad that it's not... It said rose on here, so I was a little hesitant about that because I'm not a fan of rose at all. But it doesn't smell like rose, and I'm so intrigued by this. I might record a little review showing you guys how this works on my face, but again, that'll be in like a separate video. Next up, there's this, the Ursa Major, I think it's Major, Bright and Easy Flash Mask pomegranate and alpha, a powerful, fast-acting enzyme face mask treat for a clear, vibrant skin. Okay, I'm excited for this. Oh, see, that's definitely an all-natural smelling thing too, which, you know what, I'm okay with, guys. I know sometimes all-natural smelling stuff smells and like I don't prefer it, but I do prefer it over putting like harsh smells and perfumes on my face. So that's 3 products so far. This is the next one. This is Noir by I cannot pronounce anything, you guys, I'm sorry. By Antonima. So this has a sharpener on top, and it is a black eyeliner. Super cool. And last but not least is this right here. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is the Terry Mary Smudge Proof Anti-Aging Eyeshadow Base. So yeah, let's crack this open and see. Ooh, so this is just, I'm gonna smudge proof. So this is how it's swatching. It's just kind of like an orangey. I am so, of course I gotta smell it. Doesn't really smell like much, but I'm very excited to try this. I've been getting into just putting down something like this. Okay, that is everything in this box. I love how they package this and put this in a really small box, because I feel like there's so many companies that send huge boxes and it's like just such a huge waste. So this is the cutest little box. What did you guys think about this box? Are you going to purchase this? If I have a coupon code or anything like that, I will of course put it up on the screen for you guys and link it down below, link the site down below. And I personally love it. I really enjoy this box. It's definitely one that I see myself getting again, and I'm excited to test out some cruelty-free makeup. So if you guys enjoy this video, be sure you hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming unboxings, vlogs, makeup videos, cleaning videos, all that kind of stuff, and hit that thumbs up button. It really does help me out. And subscribe. I will see you guys in my next one. Toodaloo.